Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to unlink Riot Games from Twitch. So to start, you can go to Twitch. So open any browser and go to twitch.tv. Now once you're on Twitch, what you need to do next is to click your profile picture at the top right. Then go ahead and scroll down to settings, tap on settings. Now go to connections at the top. So click on connections and scroll down and look for Riot Games. So from here you can disconnect it, so just click on disconnect and it will be disconnected. You can also go to Riot Games and click on your account and go to settings. Next, once you're on settings, go to connected accounts. So from here, you can disconnect Twitch. So what you need to do is just click on this minus icon and click on that. So disconnect from Twitch. Yes, disconnect. So click on yes, disconnect. So it will say unable to remove application. Please try again later. So just click on OK and try to reload the page. Then check again. So if it's still not disconnected, you can just go back to Twitch and disconnect it from here. So click disconnect and tap yes, disconnect. And it will be disconnected just like that. So reload the page and check again just to make sure. Let's scroll down. So if it says connect, that means you're disconnected, or Riot Games is now disconnected from Twitch. And that's basically it. You can just go ahead and open your profile picture in Twitch and go to settings, then go to connections, scroll down to Riot Games, and disconnect it from here. And that's it. Thank you for watching.